We are finally out on an adventure. The weather has been so shit the last few weekends. It's been so windy and rainy. And it was actually really rainy this morning, but the sun's come out, so we have come out for a nice walk. We are in Aberfoyle, or somewhere near Aberfoyle, and the place we're walking to is Loch Ard. I haven't even been walking for 5 minutes yet and I've already taken a wrong turn. I'm using the All Trails map and I thought this was the right way, but it gave me an alert to say we've taken a wrong turn. There's a sign there to a youth camp. We definitely don't want to be going to a youth camp. Or there's a path down here. I think we might go down that way. See where it leads to. Hopefully it'll get us back on the right track somehow. We'll find out. Just decided to turn back because it's clearly going in the wrong direction. It's going the opposite way to where we want to go, where the loch is. So we're going back now. Sophie, this way. I did wonder why the car park was fairly busy, but there was no one down this end, so now we need to do the walk of shame past the car park. Like Muppets. It would probably help if I followed the signs. Let's go! But now there's probably going to be a whole bunch of people this way. And dogs. So we've passed 3 people and 2 dogs so far. Let's start a count of how many people pass on this walk. I feel like the best walks are the ones where you see nobody. That's just me. And the sun has just disappeared, which is annoying. It's also quite windy this way as well, so maybe we would have been better just sticking with that quiet area, even though it's not the way I'd planned on going. I had been here before, which was about 10 years ago, so I did want to go back to the loch area, because that was quite nice. Come on! She's been quite slow today. She hasn't been in her normal walks since she got spayed back in February. So she had a bit of a recovery period. She put on a bit of weight, but I'm trying to get it under control again. She's not obese, but she's definitely a little bit more plump than she should be. So yeah, I just need to build up her stamina again by going on nice walks like this. What do you think of your walk? Never mind her stamina. I'm struggling up this hill and it's not even that steep. Not been to the gym for like 6 weeks. That's the annoying thing about travelling. You get out of your routine and then you're starting from scratch again, having to find the motivation to go back to the gym. Looks like we're back on track. Had a little bit of a detour. This isn't a very long walk, it's only 56 minutes, but it would probably take us a bit longer since we stop to take photos and videos and stuff. Come on. What's wrong? Are you tired? She hasn't slept this morning. Well, it's actually 3 o'clock and normally she would sleep in the morning, which she didn't do because I was busy walking around the house and stuff, and she has FOMO. So we have now passed 2 bikes, a man and a child. Sophie was very good, didn't bark at anyone. So what's that? The count is now up to 7 people. 7 people and 2 dogs. Absolutely sweating. I'm glad I wore this jacket, not my big heavy one, because it was meant to be quite cold. All this walking uphill, it's like a workout. So, another hill, and I've just remembered when I was looking at this trail last night, on All Trails, somebody said, I can't even talk, somebody said to do the trail clockwise or anti-clockwise, basically the opposite way. So I thought I was being clever by going the way that I saw people coming down. But obviously, they're the smarter ones. Okay, I've got a bit of a downhill now, thankfully. I don't think we'll be climbing any Munros anytime soon. We can't even do a basic path. As per usual, the storage on my phone is now full. I use my phone to capture kind of nicer shots, and I'm filming on my little Insta360 Go 3S, which is okay for like vlogging type shots, but I don't love it when it comes to more scenic shots. It's just not the best quality, so it's okay for things like this. Then it's just annoying. Every time I'm out, there's something that runs out of storage or battery. I try and offload as much footage of other things as I can, but it's just never enough. I think it might be a sign for a new phone. Come on this way. Anyway, we have passed another 2 people. I had the drone out at the time. I don't think they were very impressed, but it's not my fault. They just came out of nowhere and then they hovered about. Probably didn't get the best footage because it's super windy. And then people that we passed arrived as well, so we just packed up and disappeared. Oh, go pee pee! First pee of the walk. Anyway, looks like we're heading down into the forest again, and we'll be getting to the loch area quite soon. That couple were probably also unimpressed because Sophie was barking at them. She wasn't going apeshit like she usually would, but the woman gave her a dirty look. We've been walking for about an hour now, and there's still no sign of this loch. It's a bit colder, which is good. At least not sweating. She seems to be keeping up alright. I would let her off lead, but I just don't know this place very well, or at all. So I'd rather not let her off somewhere that I'm not familiar with. And you never know, there might be dogs around the corner. and then she'll run away. We have finally found some water. At least we know we're going in the right direction this time. It's a bit of an anticlimax. I don't think this is the same bit that I came to before. There's a road over there, and all you can see is cars and Tesco delivery drivers going by. So it's not the most scenic. I think last time we were further down that way, that's where the main water area is. But stupidly, I feel like this walk is just full of stupid mistakes. I didn't download the trail on the All Trails map, and now I have no signal, and it's lost where we are. And I don't know which way I should be going next. Could just walk back the way we came, but that'd be boring. So now I'm trying to decide, do we walk further down that way, or there's a path going around that way? I'm sure it was a circular route, I just don't know which way it went round. Anyway, not surprised really. I'm clearly out of practice. Sophie, don't eat mud. Leave it. Maybe it's a bit nicer up that end. We'll go and find out. So I think I've worked out where that nice part of the loch is. So we're currently here, and actually last time we must have been up here, so that's where the bigger water area is. But I think it's quite a distance away from where we are, and it's already 4:20, so I'm not sure I want to walk all that way, because that's where we started, the green dot, so we want to get back there. Oh, for f***'s sake. Got no bloody storage. Look. This is what I mean. Can't even take a photo of the dog because I've got no storage. So annoying. After saying we wouldn't go any further, I've decided just to walk along a bit further. The annoying thing is, All Trails has just completely lost the path. Even though I can see it, it's now booted me out, so I can't restart it, and it keeps asking me to log in, and I can't remember the login details. The usual. It's just annoying that my phone has run out of storage as well, because I can't get any nice shots. Okay, after saying we just walk up there, I couldn't be bothered in the end. It's just quite a long path. What can you smell? So we're just going to head back to the car. I'll make sure that we come back here one day so that we can go to the nice bigger bit of water. I remember it was really nice last time, so I think it will definitely be worth coming back to see. It definitely won't be as sunny as it is today next time, no doubt.